All right, this is take two. First time I forgot to enable the audio. Got a new headset, so didn't change it properly. This is how to go about making a JSON interface with a backend web server so your game client can communicate with a server other than the Unreal default server. So what I've done is some clever Googling, found this Unreal Engine plugin called VaRest or VaRest. It's actually available in the Epic Store. It's free, but the guy was nice enough to release it, open source it. So what we've done is we've downloaded that source code, imported into our project, built our project, gone into the engine, enabled the plugin. So you can see we have the VaRest plugin enabled in our engine. And I've created a login interface. So this login interface builds a JSON object. This is for creating a new account. This is for logging into an existing account. So the interface looks like that. Very simple. Username, password, login, or if you're a new player, you hit new player and it creates the account. And what I've also done is moved all of the server code onto a Raspberry Pi on the back end, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and delete the development database, clear the screen, and we'll fire up the server. So we're just running WebRick, and to show you a little demonstration of how this thing works, this is the account model here. So we've got two different operations defined: login and create a new account. So the new account reads the request, checks to see if the account name already exists. If it does, don't let them create another account. Obviously it's primary key, so it won't let you create an account with the same name. Otherwise, go ahead and create the new unique account. Login, pretty much the same. Query the account's database, finding the username and password that matches the provided. If we find it, login success, otherwise login failure. Fairly simple and straightforward. This is a sample query response over here. So what I can do is sign in with my test account that I've programmed in. And you can see the test account, it's created right here. So if the account database, excuse me, is empty, I'm going to go ahead and create this test account. So let me send this request. Boom. Status success. Let's make it the wrong password, send the request. Oh, status failure. Okay, so that's working as intended. And I won't create a new account from this window. I will wait and do that in the game. So let's bounce over to the, let's check on this. So you can see, create it, got an account object back with the correct one. When I create with the wrong one, no account object gets returned. Okay. So that's how we're working there. And back into here, should be able to hit play, get our splash screen, and we can attempt to log in with an account that does not exist. Duderman, password, super secret, log in. So if you can see that message that says failure up here, so that account doesn't exist. I'm going to hit new player. Now it has success. I'm going to hit login again. Boop, logged into Duderman. Okay. Go back. Try to play as Duderman with a wrong password. And log in. Failure. Try to create it. Failure. Okay. Because Duderman already exists. So I can log in with Duderman though, with the password being correct. So that is basically how that works, right? So I can go in, look at my back end, see the username and passwords that are getting provided. Pretty short video. If you have any specific questions about how it all fits together, just let me know. But VaRest, if you don't want to build it from source and you want to install the plugin off the market, boom, right here. And if you're building it from source, drop it into your plugins here, VaRest, okay, and just build your solution. And then in the editor, go to your plugins and make sure VaRest is enabled. And then how my level blueprint's working, this is just a splash level, right? So when it plays, I just create the splash widget, add it to the viewport, set a delay for 1 second, remove all the widgets from the viewport, create the login widget and add it to the viewport, right? That's why you see the splash screen. 1 second, and there we go. And I can log in. And that's it. Fairly straightforward. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.